Hi, this is Wes Fryer. It's August the 9th, 2020. And in this screencast, I'd like to show you how you can embed a YouTube video on another website. And it's really easy to do this if you're using a Google site. In this case, I'll show you how to do this a couple ways. But for the first way I'm going to do it is I'm going to embed it on my bulletin board page for my class pages. So we use a system called Blackbaud at our school. It's the information system that we use to share grades and information with parents as well as with students. And so that's what I like to do. So I have just recorded a video on my iPad. I've actually done 3. And so I have uploaded those into YouTube. So this is my teacher channel for YouTube. And I've done these other 2 videos, and this one for 6th grade, I've uploaded, but you can see I don't have a custom thumbnail for it, and I don't have a great title for it. So I need to edit this. So I've logged into YouTube. When you click on your icon here, you can view your channel, but you're going to be able to go view your videos. And this is what's called the YouTube Studio. So I'm going to click the pencil. So I'm going to be editing the details for this video. Now, one of the things I'm going to do first, well, let me just fix the title. So I'm going to say, welcome to Computer 6, which we call is digital and media literacy with Dr. Fryer. Okay, it's always good to have a good description. I don't know if I saved my description. Yeah, here's a description I did for my 5th grade, so it'll save me a little bit of time. This is a welcome video for 6th graders taking Computer 6 with me. All right, so that's great. YouTube will automatically choose a thumbnail for you, and that's going to be just an image that it thinks is representative of your video. One of the techniques that I like to do now is go ahead and use a slideshow in Google and then create a thumbnail this way. And so I've made this welcome 6th grade students. I'm going to go up to the file menu, and I'm going to choose to download this as a JPEG, as a JPG image. And now I'll go back here to YouTube, and I'm going to click, and I'll move this over so you can see this a little better. I'll click right here where it says upload thumbnail. So now I can upload that JPEG image, and then that is going to be the still thumbnail that folks are going to see when this page is embedded. Okay, it's called a custom thumbnail. I think that's good. So I'll go ahead and click save. So this video, and it takes a while, right, when you upload a video for it to go ahead and encode and be ready. This has done it. That's a 6 minute and 23 second video. What I want to do now is I want to put it on a couple different web pages. So I'm going to click here on this icon that says view on YouTube. And so it's going to pop up, and I don't want to actually play it. So I'm going to pause it here. But what I do want is I want to copy the link. All right. So I'm going to copy the link that's right up here at the top. So I copy that link, and let's see. I'm going to put it on my Google site first. All right. So here is my main media literacy website for all my classes, and I've already created a layout here that has a space. So I'm going to click on this plus, and I'm going to just put in YouTube, and I'm going to paste in my link, and I'm going to go ahead and select it. So now that video is going to be right there in that spot. I'm also going to highlight some text here that I've already typed and click on the link tool and paste that link. So now that link is embedded right here, and it's linked right here. I will click publish. Again, this is a Google site. This is a new Google site. It's been out for a couple years, but it's not a classic site. This is the site that you create now when you go to sites.google.com. And so, yay, now this is published. So if I come here to my mdtech.casady.org website and I reload it, look at that. I see my videos that I've made this afternoon. I've done all 3 of those videos. All right. What I want to do now is I want to put that video here on this page for my 6th graders. So if I go back to my 5th graders, I've already done it here, and I'll show you what this looks like. on the bulletin board, this is what parents and students see when they log into our class. I've got this welcome to 5th grade, and then here's the video. It's embedded right there. In my last video, which you will be able to access on support.casady.org, as well as if you're viewing this video on my channel, this is still on my school YouTube channel. You can browse to it. I showed how to embed a Google document, all right? So I've already embedded the Google document for 6th grade. Now I need to put my I need to put my video on, okay? All right, so how am I gonna do that? Well, I'm gonna go over here to my video, and I'm going to click on this button right here next to the thumbs up, thumbs down that says share. I'm gonna click on that, and I'm gonna choose the choice that says embed. Now, if I just copy what comes up first, that's the link, and that works too. But I want the code that is going to let this video actually sit inside the page so people can see the thumbnail, and they'll just click on play, and it plays right away. That's called an embed. So I'm going to click there, and then I need to copy this link. I'm not going to customize or do anything else special. I'm simply going to copy this link, and now I'm ready to go put it over on my website. It's a little more technical to do it than what I just did in Google Sites, but this will work on any website that will accept an embed. So I'm going to enter the edit mode here for my page, and up here under text, this is where I want to put this, and I'm going to click on the pencil. Now I'm going to have to put in a description, which I'll just say welcome right now. I'll actually do something a little bit longer here in a minute. But instead of putting in text and typing in hello, whatever, I'm going to click this little button here that says HTML. And this is the code editor, the HTML source code editor. I'm simply going to paste what I copied right out of YouTube. And now I am going to, man, this is weird. I don't know how I can move that around. Ugh. This is like a pop-up that is because of Screencastify, and I don't really want that on here. Hide the tools. There we go. Thank you. I'm going to click Update, and so now I'm ready to save this. I actually want to save more than just welcome, and so I'm going to, this is what I want, I want to say welcome to 6th grade with I'm going to copy this just to save myself some time. So I've got a longer description, but I am going to click save. And it has all this yellow thing with code because this is what I have, HTML code in here that I've copied from YouTube. Let's see what this looks like when I click save. So I've got to save this, and then down here at the bottom, okay, I was thinking I had to publish the layout to show it. I guess this should be now visible to my students. Let's try. I'm going to click here on 6.1, and this is the way my students and parents will see it. Voila, look at that. Yay, that is fantastic. I am able to see my video embedded right here, and then below I have embedded my Google Doc. All right, and so I can add other elements to my page. I think I need some more tape on that poster. But that I'm not going to add those right now in this video. Okay, so I hope this information has been helpful to you. I'm going to be putting this on our instructional support website. You can find that website at support.casady.org. We have a wide variety of resources for teachers. You can go up to you can just scroll down and click on instructional support modules. And that's where we have most of the links to the different modules that we have, and I'll be adding these as some modules here on that website. All right, so hope that's helpful to you. Good luck. Have a great school year in 2020-21.